Hello, this is Xiurong Sang. I never heard of Kalpa before this course. I spent a lot of time reading the resources and watching videos of this module. After I review the resources of Module 2, I think I can follow the instructions provided by the Greenbush facilitators. My procedures did not differ significantly from page 15 to 34 in the Kalpa 2 assessment examiner manual or the guidelines provided in Chapter 9 and Chapter 10. The student I choose is Don. He is a ninth grade student. He came to Hawaii from Vietnam 3 years ago. I think maybe COVID-19 affected him a lot in learning the English. His English proficiency level is far behind ninth grade level. I prepared a pretest and asked advice from his ESL teacher, my mentor. She told me that Don cannot do that. I needed to simplify the pretest. For speaking, Don got 1 close to 2. He has a very limited vocabulary and is hard to speak in complete sentences and correct sentence structure. His pronunciation and sentence fluency are also poor. Don's writing also landed 1 close to 2. He doesn't have enough vocabulary. His sentence structure is not solid either. His verbal tense is horrible. After the pretest, I talked to his ESL teacher about my first goal to work on together with him. She agreed with my plan. The vocabulary is my first goal to work on together with Don.